Kung ayaw mo masayang yung pera mo sa pagbili ng maling running shoes, panoorin mo tong video ko. By the way, Quick Fox here. Okay, so sa video na to, i-explain ko yung pagkakaiba ng 4 na categories ng running shoes. Yung pang long run, daily trainer, pang speed training, and yung race shoes. Okay, tara, simulan natin. First category natin yung sapatos sa pang long runs, easy runs, and recovery runs. Ang priority ng mga ganitong sapatos is really comfort. Kailangan very comfortable kasi design sila pang malayuan na takbo. Kaya very durable sila. That's why expect na makapal talaga yung midsole nila. Usually 25 to 40 mm or more yung midsole thickness. Thicker and denser na midsole. More padding for extra comfort, padding sa loob, and thicker uppers para mas durable. At the same time, thicker outsole yung ilalim para mas tumagal sa mga takbuhan or long runs. Usually, wala talaga silang any kind of plate. Pero lately, may mga lumalabas ng mga models na dahil sobrang kapal ng midsole and malambot yung midsole nila, naglalagay sila ng mga plate like carbon, nylon, and fiberglass for stability. An example ng pang long run na walang plate is Antas Travel 2S. And yung may carbon plate naman is 361 degrees Flame 5 Mix. And next category is yung racing shoes. Meron dalawang klaseng racing shoes. Meron pang short to medium distance and meron din pang long distance race. Both prioritizes efficiency regardless of the distance. Here, we should expect na mas magaan sila, bouncier and highly responsive ang mga midsole nila. Some have faster wearing na outsole, shorter midsole lifespan, and minimal upper material. Kaya magaan talaga sila. Meron mga race shoes na walang plate and meron ding may mga plate. Ang preferred material for the plate is carbon material dahil sa high energy return niya. And usually ito yung may pinakamahal na price sa lahat ng category. Example ng pang long distance na racing shoes na may carbon plate is Antas C2027. For 5 to 10K races with fiberglass plate, 361 degrees Biospeed 5 Pro. Racing shoes na walang any kind of plate, Antas Roadmaster 3V. And yung merong maikling nylon plate added for stability, 361 degrees Steed. And third category, speed training shoes. Ang priority talaga nito is for fast acceleration para ma-reach natin yung top end speed sa training natin. Here, we should expect na highly responsive, fast rebound ang midsole. Very, very lightweight and durability is not top priority. Some have no plate and meron ding may plate for stability and propulsion. Some have nylon, fiberglass plate, and carbon plate. Example ng speed training shoes na walang plate is X-Steps Pioneer. With added nylon plate for stability and support, that's great for speed training, 361 degrees Steed. And the fourth category is the daily trainer. Meron dalawang klaseng daily trainers. Meron yung traditional, yun yung walang carbon plate, and yung super trainers, yun yung daily trainer na nilagyan ng carbon plate. And I just want to make it clear na it's only those daily trainers na nilagyan ng carbon plate ang pwedeng tawaging super trainer. Daily trainers are sometimes called jack of all trades or do-it-all running shoes. And ang priority talaga ng daily trainers ay durability, versatility. It should be comfy for long runs, easy runs, and recovery runs, and responsive for our speed training sessions. Expect that it is lighter than long run specific shoes, but heavier than speed trainers and racing shoes. And for beginners who only want one shoes na pang training and racing nila, I highly recommend this category, yung daily trainer. Meron daily trainer na mas pang long runs and easy runs, pero pwede rin gamitin sa mga shorter distance na high intensity or faster training. And just like the 361 degrees Place 5, makapal talagang midsole niya. Designed talaga siya for long runs. And at the same time, firm, responsive, bouncy din ang midsole niya. Kaya pwede din siya sa mga fast-paced runs. And yung daily trainer na mas pang faster paces na pwede rin gamitin sa mga slower or easy runs and long runs, just like the Anta Mach 6 SE, a truly versatile daily trainer. So what is a super trainer? Basically, yun yung daily trainer na merong nylon or fiberglass or carbon fiber plate. Basically, ang priority nito is for us to train on plated shoes para ma-save natin yung race shoes natin na may plate. And usually, mas mabigat siya, mas mura siya, and more durable than race-specific plated shoes. An example ng naka-fiberglass plate na super trainer is the 361 degrees Flame 4ET. And yung super trainer na naka-carbon fiber plate, 361 degrees 5 mix. Okay, so I hope nagustuhan nyo yung video natin. And kung may questions kayo, baka meron ako hindi nabanggit, okay? Paki-comment lang para masagot ko agad. Okay, again, Quick Fox here. Be quick and be safe.